Hi everyone. So I decided I would just talk to y'all about me and my name. So my name is Monica in Spanish, and so I come from a Mexican family. I was born in Dallas, Texas, and these are my parents, my wonderful, wonderful parents. I think it's the cutest picture of them. So I am from Dallas, Texas, so I figured I would start with my photo of my large family. Um, so this is my whole family. So I was born there, but I was not raised there. This was a trip that we took back to visit. So when I was about 3, we moved to Connecticut. That's a picture of me and my brother. Um, and so we were 3 and we moved to Connecticut for my dad to complete his PhD. And so we lived there until I was about 10 years old. And then from there, um, we were really far away from my family in Dallas, and that was pretty hard. And then from there, I don't have any photos from this time, but I lived in Franklin, Tennessee. And we were there for such a short time, but it was a really sweet time in my memory. I don't really, I know for as a family it was a little harder, but it was a really sweet time for me. I was in middle school. And then here's a super blurry, awful photo of me with my friends when we moved to Georgia. And we moved to Georgia because my dad got a position at the University of Georgia. So that's pretty much the source of all our moves is my dad would get a better position as a professor. So at UGA, he taught in the College of Public Affairs. So that was really awesome, and as soon as I got to UGA, I fell in love with the campus. My brother is 4 years older than me, and so he was in high school at this time. And so I'm going to fast forward. So he graduated high school, he went to Georgia Tech, and he graduated. And so my family and I, we stayed in the Athens area, but he went to Georgia Tech and graduated, and this is one of his photos. Um, so after he graduated from Georgia Tech, he got a position actually near my family in Texas. And so he moved out there with his then girlfriend, his now wife, who worked for Teach for America. And we moved out there to be near our family. And so here's a picture of my cat. Because I did add this member of my family, and I wanted to add it because I didn't add it in my written part, and she's super important to me. And I graduated from the University of Georgia. So I graduated high school in 2013, went to UGA, and I graduated from UGA in 2017. And during that time, my brother was also got married, and then right after I started my master's in professional school counseling with and here's my cohort. Um, and so that's kind of the journey of how I got to here. So I really don't know much about the rest of my family other than the one in Texas, and so it's always been really important to me to be near the family that I do have. My brother and his wife have moved back, and so now we're all in Georgia together. Um, and I did want to add this because when I was researching my name, I found out that although I was named for Catholic reasons, coming from a very strong Catholic family, the mother of St. Augustine, St. Monica, I also found out that my name has another meaning that I think it's from Latin, where it means advisor. And how funny is that now I'm pursuing a career in school counseling? So I just thought that was interesting. I thought I'd share that, and I thought it was fun. So thanks. I can't wait to work with y'all and get to know everyone. And if you listen to all this, bless you. Alright, thanks, Kim.